everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you sour cream raita and curd or yogurt raita. Ingredients to show you with sour cream. So I've taken 2 spoons sour cream and I'm going to do with yogurt or curd. I've taken half cup yogurt. Key ingredient is the cumin seeds. I need 3/4 spoon or small spoon, so it is 3/4 spoon salt and half spoon red chilli powder and pinch of black pepper. I'm mixing all these ingredients. I've taken half cup bundi. This you can get in any Indian store. I'm going to roast jeera, that is cumin seeds. This should turn into black or almost black. It should look this color, the cumin seeds, and now we need to crush this. That's it. You get very nice aroma from this. So this is the key ingredient. That's it. So first I'm going to do with yogurt or curd. So I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to beat like this. I'm going to add this to the bowl. I'm going to add at least half bowl water because we are going to put bundi in this. Just mix it well. So sour cream is already smooth, so I'm just going to add little water in this. Just 1:1 ratio or 1:half water. It depends on how thick you want it. I like to make it little thin because I put bundi, so the bundi will absorb the water. But it again depends on how you want it. And now goes in the spices. Just sprinkle it. The rest goes into yogurt. At the time of serving, it's better to add bundi because it becomes softer. So now I'm adding, and for sour cream also I'm adding. To both of these, then I'm going to add the cumin powder, the roasted cumin powder. So again, all these spices you can add as per your taste. Then mix it well. Voila, it's ready. So this is little bit thick consistency. This is how you look when it is thick, but after some time this will become more thick. And this is thin. This is how it looks. So this goes very well with biryani, dum biryani, pulao, or meal maker rice, which I already showed all this recipe. You can see the recipes on my channel. And now let me taste sour cream ones. This is sour cream one, and I'll let you know how it is tasting. It tastes very good, crispy and sour and spice mixed. So I'm showing this recipe on Swada's request. She wanted to have this with the meal maker biryani, and thank you for asking me this recipe. If you like this recipe, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel for new recipes notifications. And thank you for watching, and for full recipe look into the description box below, and see you with next video, new video. Until then, bye.